How to add others' emails in MailerLite on campaign. So first, go to MailerLite, and then to add the emails of other people, what you need to do is pick them, add them as your subscribers. Okay, so just go to subscribers here at the left, and then just click on add subscribers here at the top right. Now if you're going to add multiple subscribers, you just need to drag your file here and then import them to import your subscribers. And then if you want to add a single subscriber, just click on add single subscriber here, and then just type in their email, their name, and then just click on add subscriber. Okay, so for example, I've already done all of that. Just click on subscribers again. Now let's say I have multiple subscribers, even though I only have one. So once you've added all of your subscribers, all of the emails of other people, what you can do now is just go to campaigns. You can either create a campaign or just open one of your draft campaigns. So I'll just open one of my drafts, then just click on edit. Now from here, just need to click on edit here under recipients, and then you just need to toggle the all active subscribers option here to add all of the emails of other people, and then just click on save. And then from here, you can either send it now or send it later, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.